All right, children, we are installing a 2022 to a 2024 or a 2025 Chevy/GMC Silverado Sierra 1500, 2500, 3500. For this project, you will need some sort of a pry tool. Here is a proper pry tool, or you can also use a flathead screwdriver. Also, for this project, you will need a steamer. All right, so first what we're gonna do is, if you notice your bolsters here, they're super hard. That's what you call dual density.
Yeah.
Mo better.
Hard and stiff, nice and soft.
They like it mo better. And we're gonna get this steam, we're gonna get this nice and rolling.
Yeah, this foam says.
And someone's probably saying, whoa, you're heating up the coils. That's a seat heating element. You ain't gotta worry about that. All right, so now we got that dual density foam steamed up. We got a nice, right, you kind of, what's that Madonna song?
Take me, baby, one more time.
Yep, that's what I was thinking of.
Like a virgin?
Yeah, you made this foam like a, again, when you steam that. So what I like to do first, right? This is what we like to do. Oh my gosh. Look at all these blue things. These are what you call hog ring strips. And these will get pinched into these little black festoon clips in here. I like to start on one side. I'm left-handed, so I like to start on the left-hand side. Psych. I'm left-handed, so I like to start on the right-hand side because then I can move this up. But it doesn't matter for all you right-handed supremists out there.
Why do you start from the sides and not the center?
You know, it's probably, tomorrow I'd probably start from the center. But I like to just go ahead and get this on there because sometimes, you know, you never know when gravity's just going to kind of kick off. And what if now you're installing this thing this way? I just want to get the seat cover secured because I don't know what's coming through that door right now. In 2 seconds, you know, we might get into a tussle here, but I know this isn't going anywhere. We've got the seat cover secured. All right, but it is good to start from the center sometimes. It's kind of just preference, you know, because watch this. I hurt my head. Yeah, I'm not even in there. Oh.
Pop.
Yeah, you hear that? Like oval Redenbacher. Okay. We got that. If you don't hear that snap, it ain't in. So don't call us talking about, man, my seat cover don't fit. If you didn't hear that pop.
You might need to take it to a shop.
Yeah, you might need to go ahead and call one of those local installers. See that? Kind of sounds like your grandpa after he just ate a can of beans, right? He's just popping out here. Just like Kendrick Lamar said, right? Sometimes you gotta pop out and show people. You gotta pop these dang clips in, bro. Sometimes you gotta pop out. And I'm popping my thing EST 1995, baby. So I've got all the hog ring strips. See, we're all secured now. Anything could happen. Now what I'm gonna do is this right here is kind of like a little pocket. So what I'm gonna do is it likes to hug that foam. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of fold it over like a taco, one corner at a time, right? We like to be big spoon in here. We wanna get that rice nice and tight over. See that? Money. Whoa. Now we're gonna go on one side. Roll that thing down right there, boy. Get on there. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna get this side. Okay. I like to grab that dual foam. Talk about a rush. Look at that. Now, what I like to do here, I'm gonna go ahead and get this right here, this bottom. All right. Got them all on there. That's money. Oh my gosh. Now let's turn it sideways. All right. All right, so these all get rolled over and clipped to this frame. So I'll start with this one. There's not a lot of tension that goes on these guys. So if you're like, man, that doesn't really sit on there real tight like, let's just know there's not a lot of. Yeah. All right. Now the front. Also, side quest. Teeth on the frame. These little guys are all like a little vampire. So those get pushed. It's a little piece of the frame that gets pushed in. If your clips are not clicking in audibly, most likely you need to take a flathead screwdriver and push those pieces in. Thank you, sir. So this one's kind of a little too big, but you get the idea of just poking that in and kind of just twisting it around to kind of get that metal to open back up. TED Talk done.
Yeah, I'll take it.
All right. Prestige worldwide. Yeah. Audible click. Shh. Oh, click. All right. So these ones are the tricky. All right. So again, not much tension on these ones. Like this guy. Got it. I don't know what you think. That's money. Another tip, this one you don't really see, like there's a lot of wrinkles and stuff. If you got some wrinklage in your cloth just because it's been sitting in the box shipping to you, again, you can use a steamer or you can use a warm, like get a rag and some hot water and just kind of massage that cloth out and get those wrinkles out. Amen.